subject. This is the very last question in the master question paper also. Question number 65, based on single phase fully controlled thyristor converter bridge used for regenerative braking of separately excited DC motor. So the very last question, question number 65 from master question paper of 2024 electrical engineering from power electronics subject is as follows. So then single phase fully controlled thyristor converter bridge used for regenerative braking. Okay, and first separately excited DC motor specifications are given as rated armature voltage 210 volt. Armature current rated armature current is 10 amperes. Rated speed is 1200 rpm. Armature resistance is 1 ohm. Input the converter is known as over T volt T-hertz. So this is the data given. Armature of DC motor is fed from fully controlled control bridge. So fed from control bridge converter. Okay, and field current is constant. For IA to be maintained at rated value, that is 10 ampere, what is the triggering angle alpha of the converter bridge? Regenerative braking IA to be maintained at rated value. So triggering angle alpha of the converter has been asked. 2 dozen places. Is it an initial question of 2 marks? ये डेटा दिया हुआ है, बहुत आसानी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इसको. देखते सोल्यूशन कैसा होगा, उसी तरह होगा. So it is a fully controlled single phase fully controlled thyristor converter bridge, something like this. Motor is armature motor and field is separately excited. IF is constant, is given. This is VA, is voltage, is VN. So at rated conditions, let's find out. back EMF at rated conditions. Back EMF in the motor is given by EB equal to VA minus I into RA. very simply तो आसानी से हमको पता है मेरे से वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं 210 minus 10 into 1 and use it 200 volt. Now मैं separately select DC motor. What happens? Field current is constant, so back EMF is directly proportional to only speed. So at this condition, rated speed is 1200 rpm. So at 6, okay, rate is given, operating condition is 600 rpm. At 600 rpm, if the armature terminals of motor are suitably reversed for regenerative braking with IA maintained at rate value, what is the train? So at rate conditions, the speed is 1200 rpm, and at operating conditions, speed is 600 rpm. So we can find the back EMF at operating conditions. This is rated as how? We rated into n by n rated, very simply, right? So EB rated is the form of 200. N is given as 600 and rated is given as 1200. So it will be 100 volt. Simply, very easy. Now, what happens in regenerative braking? In normal operating conditions, if this is a term, VA this voltage is where voltage is like this. Normal operating, this is VA, this is IA, this is E. But when regenerative braking happens, the terminals of, the polarity of E is reverses. Direction of current remains the same. During regenerative braking, resultant becomes like this. This is IA, this is BA, this is D. So applying KVL during regenerative braking in the armature circuit, you can get what? What do you get? VA minus IR equal to EB minus EB, right? So VA is how much? IRA minus EB. So IRA is maintained at rated condition, rate value 10. I is fixed 1, EB your formula is 100. So this will be how much? Minus 90 volt. Now for a fully controlled thyristor converter single phase, we know the formula for output voltage is nothing but the armature voltage in this case, because the armature is connected across the output of the bridge. Fully controlled thyristor converter bridge. It's nothing but 2 Vm by cos alpha. Now Vrms is given as 240. So Vm is what? 240 root 2. Okay. And Va required is the calculator is minus 90. So we put the values here. Minus 90 equal to 2 times root 2 into 240 by pi cos alpha. Now we can simplify. Okay. So from this we get what? Cos alpha equal to how much? Minus 3 pi by 16 minus 90. From this, if you apply cos inverse on both sides, you will get alpha. We are using the virtual calculator to do in the exam में से virtual calculator करना है. इसको हम पुट कर देंगे बहुत आसानी से. अल्फा का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 2 decimal places as 114.60 degrees. That is आज अल्फा का पहले भी पूछा, ट्रिगोनल एंगल पूछा कन्वर्टर का, तो वो क्या है, नथिंग बट अल्फा. We found alpha by these approach. First, we have found the Bragg rate conditions. Next, we have found that in a stability except DC motor as Bragg is closer to speed. So we have got voltage backing at 600 and equal to rate operating speed of 600 RPM is 100 volt. Now we have applied the condition for degenerative braking. The IRA minus EB. This is valid for degenerative braking. So from that we have got armature voltage minus 19. Armature voltage is the output of the which fully controlled three-stage converter which apply the from the output voltage DC value as this. From that we have got आज जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है क्वेश्चन में हम आसानी से मिल जाता है. उसका वैल्यू है 114.16 and that is the answer of this question. 90 question of 4 marks on fully controlled three-stage converter single phase switch. And this was the very last question from power electronics and the last question as well in the entire master question paper of K24 electrical engineering. So I hope the explanation is clear and it is comprehensive. If you still have any doubts or queries, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to answer. So that's all for this video. Thank you.